Before buying a K-Cup pod coffee maker, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Keurig K-Elite. The Keurig K-Elite caught my eye with its sleek brushed slate design and impressive range of features, all for about $129.99. If you want a customizable brewing experience that fits your busy lifestyle, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The K-Elite brews multiple cup sizes from 4 to 12 Oz, which means you can choose the perfect amount for your morning pick-me-up. It also has a strong brew option, so you can enjoy a more intense flavor when you need that extra kick. The ice setting is a gem, allowing you to brew hot coffee over ice for refreshing iced coffee at the touch of a button. Plus, with a large 75 Oz water reservoir, you can brew several cups before needing to refill, saving you precious time during those rushed mornings. Now, some people complained about the K-Elite being a bit noisy, especially during the brewing process. Here's the thing though, if you're in a quiet environment, it might be a slight annoyance, but for most people, the delicious coffee it brews far outweighs that minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you're an on-the-go coffee lover who wants customizable options. Skip this one if you're looking for a compact model since it's a larger unit. But given the features, it offers great value for your money. Product number 2, Keurig K-Elite Brushed Silver. Next up is another K-Elite model, this time in brushed silver, priced at $135.98. If you want versatility with the option to brew ground coffee as well, this is definitely worth considering. This coffee maker not only retains the essential features of brewing multiple sizes from 4 to 12 Oz, but also allows you to use both K-Cup pods and ground coffee. The strong brew setting means you won't compromise on flavor, whether you choose pods or your favorite grounds. The iced coffee capability remains a highlight, along with the large 75 Oz water reservoir. It's designed for convenience with hot water on demand, perfect for those instant soups or oatmeal moments. However, some users found the initial setup a bit cumbersome due to its various options. Here's the thing, while it might take a minute to figure out all the features, once you do, the payoff is a delicious cup of coffee tailored to your taste. This is perfect for you if you love variety in your coffee choices and want a machine that adapts to your lifestyle. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler, more straightforward model. The quality and features make it a solid investment. Product number 3, Keurig K-Classic. Coming in at $119.99, the Keurig K-Classic is a fantastic no-frills option. If you're after simplicity without sacrificing taste, this one is definitely worth a look. With the ability to brew 6, 8, or 10 Oz cups, the K-Classic is all about delivering a quick and easy coffee experience. It boasts a 48 Oz removable water reservoir, making it super convenient to refill. Just insert your pod, choose your size, and you have a fresh cup in under a minute. It's straightforward, just what you need when you want coffee fast without all the bells and whistles. Now, some folks mention that it doesn't have the strong brew feature, which might be a deal breaker if you like an extra bold cup. But honestly, if you're someone who enjoys a regular cup of coffee without fuss, this won't be a major issue. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable coffee maker that gets the job done without extra features. Skip this if you need more customization and stronger options. Overall, it's good value for a dependable coffee maker. Product number 4, Keurig K-Express. Next, we have the Keurig K-Express, priced at just $89.99. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers on taste, this could be the one for you. The K-Express brews 3 cup sizes, 8, 10, and 12 Oz, giving you enough flexibility for different coffee cravings. The 42 Oz removable reservoir is perfect for brewing several cups without frequent refills. The strong brew button is a standout feature, enhancing the flavor and boldness of your coffee. Plus, it's compatible with the My K-Cup reusable filter, so you can use your ground coffee, which is a great way to save money over time. Some users reported that the K-Express can be a bit slower than other models, especially when heating up. But here's the thing, if you're not in a super rush and can tolerate a slight wait, the taste you get is worth it. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want a decent cup of coffee. Skip this if you need a fast brewing machine for heavy use. Given its price, it offers great value for what you get. Product number 5, Keurig K Compact. Finally, let's talk about the Keurig K Compact priced at $69.99. If space is tight in your kitchen or office, this compact model might just be your best bet. The K Compact brews 3 cup sizes 6, 8, and 10 Oz, and has a 36 Oz removable water reservoir, making it easy to refill and perfect for small spaces. The Smart Start feature is a nice touch, allowing the machine to heat and brew in one go so you don't have to wait for it to heat up first. It's quick, efficient, and designed to fit in those smaller nooks. However, some users found the water reservoir to be on the smaller side for multiple brews. But honestly, if you're someone who usually brews 1 cup at a time, this won't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you're limited on counter space but still want quality coffee. Skip this if you're a heavy coffee drinker who needs larger capacity. For its compact size and ease of use, it's a great deal. So to wrap it up, the K Elite offers customization and strength, the K Classic is simple and reliable, the K Express is budget-friendly with great taste, and the K Compact is perfect for smaller spaces. Each has its strengths, so it really depends on what you need most from your coffee maker.